Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, today we're standing on something special. This is a 2024 Boston Whaler 360 Outrage that we actually have here for the first time ever since this boat is debuted. And guys, it is optioned incredibly. That always starts at the back with this Power from Mercury twin 600s. There is so much of a conversation to have there. We couldn't have it on an hour video, so we'll save it for when you stop by. I love this live well at the rear, guys. It's absolutely monstrous. It's divided. You've got rod holders next to it if you need to move spots and throw a bait in it. This bolster has grown over the years. It's even bigger, and this rear bench is fantastic. You've got your fish boxes in the floor that you're used to, your freshwater, your trash cans, so much of that. But this is where a lot of that redesign steps in. You have that prep area, and you'll see this cutout. Of course, it folds away. Guys, these seats are some of the nicest available. Huge backrest. But this is your step up, your new access to the top side if you want to go up there. And you'll see one of the ways we option this boat is with this rear-facing camera. Of course, you have your sunshade, and you've got incredible teak detail on the boat. Guys, this is beautiful. And it's kind of smattered around in small spots that aren't overwhelming, but just make the boat look beautiful. The new interior got a little bit different material than years past, guys. It looks really pretty. And this dash, it's incredible, full of technology, but not overwhelming. It's sleek. It's done very well. Your windshield vent, your electronics box, and of course, this boat is Seakeeper equipped. Hey, let's check out the front side. While we're still here, this lounger in front of the console is massive. Like I said about the seating, there's so much more detail invested in this. Raised portions. It's very deep, guys. I'm all of 6 foot and don't even come close to the front. But they didn't give up on the loungers that are here in the front of the boat. We got the cushions off at the moment, but these still pop up just like you're used to on the 38 Outrage with the cable system. They're massive fish boxes, as well as in the floor. This filler forward, and I love this. The front of this boat walks up very nicely. Whether you've got a fish around the front or use the windlass to help something there. Guys, there's one more piece to this boat we have to point out, and that is the bathroom and combined cabin. Boston Whaler did a truly incredible job putting this space together here with a swinging door, an awesome galley, a bathroom, and even a spot to lay down. There is so much more room below the console than its size really would suggest, and that is really a nice feature. Again, y'all, I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax, Sarasota, Florida, and this is our Abaco Blue 36 Outrage. It's incredible. First time we've had one. If you want to see one, see the color, get on board, now's a great opportunity. Give us a call.